Let's check all of the box accessories we have with Tapo C225 by TP-Link. So I have this box brand new. I just removed the cardboard with all of the stuff, and the first thing you will see is the instructions and all of the warranties. We can put that aside. Then there's the camera itself right here. Then we have the power cord that you need to connect to the camera. There's also a cover for the wall mount. And we also have a screws that allows you to mount it to the wall. And that is basically everything. There's also the QR code right there that you can basically stick to your camera. There's one already stick right here, and this will allow you to always quickly connect with your camera.